Hello, good morning people of God. Day 2. This is Bon once again. Karon nga to ang word karon nga adlaw is dili na to makita sa Matthew 9 verse 36 to 38. Klaro ba? Okay. Jesus went through all the towns and villages, teaching in their synagogue, proclaiming the good news of the kingdom and healing every disease and sickness. When he saw the crowds, he had compassion on them, because they were harassed and helpless, like sheep without shepherd. Tingin siya dito sa 37. Then he said to his disciple, Jesus said this to his disciple, "The harvest is plentiful, but the worker are few." Tingin siya sa there is 38. Ask the Lord of the harvest, therefore, send out workers into his harvest field. Okay, people of God, example sa harvest field nga giingon ni Lord is kaning mga atong mga kauban nga mga tao. Gamay pa kaayo ang nakaila kay Lord. And gamay pa kayo ang nakaila nga sila maluwas once nga motuo sila sa Ginoo. Then gamay pa kayo ang nakaila or daghan ang nakaila pero gamay pa kayo ang tinuod nga gatuo. So in short, kita as Christian, kitawag ta sa Ginoo para mahimong worker niya, para mag-send sa good news, sa gospel, yung words na giingon diri sa Bible. Sa atong buhaton is as many as we can, bisan asa ka maadto, pwede nimo i-share ang goodness sa Ginoo sa atong kinabuhi. Okay? So this is once again Bon. See you next video.